Alright, so I finally finished helping Samuel build this crane. We got everything working right. Yeah, this took some serious daddy engineering. And we even had to 3D print this big, what is it?
Cog?
No, it's a big gear so that this motor can go around it. Yep. And then when we pull it off, that's what I 3D printed. And then this base is all reversed Legos, but it sits perfectly right there. And then this just goes right in the center. And the motor takes it around. And Samuel can pick up whatever.
And that's why you don't do that.